Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can play career mode in eFootball. So if you're trying to play career mode on the mobile version of eFootball, then I'm sorry to tell you guys, you can't. So the career mode is only available in the full version of eFootball. And the full version of eFootball is only available for PC and consoles like Xbox, PlayStation. And for the full version, of course, you need to pay. So the mobile version is only the trial version. So it only has 20% or 30% feature of the original eFootball. So you don't have the career mode. So if you want to play the career mode, you need to buy the official eFootball, which is only available for PC and Xbox, PlayStation and other console. So if you buy it, you can play career mode in there. But for mobile user, we can only play normal matches and online matches. We can't have career mode over here. And by career mode, I mean we can't play La Liga or any other league, alright? But I hope you understand how you guys can play career mode in eFootball. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.